We've all seen the moon, but have you ever heard its song? In 1968, Apollo astronauts were orbiting the moon when they heard strange music coming from behind the lunar surface. But there was no one on the other side of the moon to make that sound. NASA kept these tapes of the mysterious music secret for decades until they finally revealed what they had been hiding. The space agency admitted that they had no idea what the music was or where it came from. They couldn't even tell if it was real or not. Some people believe that the music was just radio interference from Earth, but others think there may be something on the dark side of the moon that we do and want to hear. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.